There are few aromas more comforting than the smell of freshly baked bread. Bread has been part of human history for centuries and is a staple in daily diets around the globe. It provides nutrition and energy to get us through the day, while also offering nostalgic comfort and indulgence. Wheat flour is an essential ingredient in most bakery products. While variations are expected with this raw ingredient, they can still impact the quality of the final product. As a result, maintaining consistency is one of the biggest challenges for bakers around the globe. Our current economic and geopolitical environment has exposed the industry's vulnerability to supply issues. In addition, experts believe wheat quality will become increasingly affected by changes in weather and reduction in fertilizers, requiring the bakery industry to explore sourcing in new geographical areas and to embrace technologies for working with wheat that is available, including variable quality wheat. To maintain bread quality, some bakers have turned to vital gluten, an ingredient that compensates for variations in wheat flour. The addition of vital gluten translates into extra formulation costs for bakers, and due to its limited availability, the cost of this ingredient is rising at a rapid pace. As manufacturers around the globe face crop shortages and inconsistencies, they must adapt to changing raw materials without compromising quality. How can manufacturers produce high-quality baked goods in the face of these challenges?
IFF bakery enzyme reduce the variation of the baking procedure by standardizing the wheat flour that I used, enabling the bakeries to use wheat flour and also different mixes of different origins and qualities. Our enzymes, they are able to reduce and even eliminate the use of vital wheat gluten in bread formulation.
Enzymes work in synergy with emulsifiers to optimize formulations and present a competitive cost in use versus alternative strengthening solutions.
Bakery food enzymes have the power to unlock all the goodness in a formulation, from flour to bread, optimizing cost, and delivering high-quality products. For consumers, the result is a product with desirable sensorial attributes, such as softness and freshness.
Enzymes can also help reduce food waste. By optimizing raw ingredient usage and extending product freshness, our enzyme technologies do more good for people and the planet. With IFF bakery enzymes, we can proactively address global wheat supply challenges, helping ensure the stable production of high-quality baked goods consumers love. Let's future-proof bakery products together.